What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. Y'all see the red box. Y'all know it's a dunk. But it's a good pair, man. This is one that I really wanted when they first dropped in 2021. They restocked on Friday, came in today on Monday, man. Let's check them out. Let's see if y'all like these as much as I do, man. I love this pair a lot, man. But like I said, regular packaging, red Nike box. The tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium Beach Baroque Brown and Canvas, 11.5 personal size. Boy, these joints is clean. Perfect fall shoe, bro. Let's get into it. Now here we have the Nike Dunk Low and the Cheetah / Giraffe colorway, man. When these joints dropped back in 2021, I wanted this pair so much, but they went quick and the prices were too high for me to pay resale on a dunk that was maybe even $100 at the time, maybe not even 110. But I got them now. Let's check them out. Check out these materials, these colors. Let's see if you like them as much as I do, man. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, that toe box is laced in the smooth leather and like a beach sail looking colorway, man. Getting to that toe cap, it's laced in like a nappy long hair suede with like the cheetah or giraffe spots on them going all the way around the toe cap and up through the eyelets as well. Getting to that side panel, man, it's the same color as the toe box in that beach color. And it has that Baroque brown on the swoosh. On the back panel, it has that nice suede as well. And kind of like those cheetah or giraffe spots where the you can see the print coming through. The back of the shoe, you can see it has the suede as well with the beach color leather, and also has the Baroque brown leather with the white Nike embroidered into the heel tab, man. Getting to the inside of the shoe, just the same as the outside. It does have those cheetah or giraffe spots with the suede. Nice suede on this joint, some really nice long hair suede. Has the smooth mid panel in that beach color, the Baroque brown on the swoosh. And the same thing going across the eyelets on this side as well, getting back to the front of the shoe. Now getting into the laces, they do have the beach or sail color laces, has the beach or sail color tongue, same with the tongue tag, and it has the Baroque brown Nike embroidered into that tongue tag, man. Now getting into that sock liner, man, it does have the Baroque brown going all the way across the sock liner. It has the beach insole with the Baroque brown Nike pressed on. Super clean pair, perfect for the fall, man, perfect for the fall. Now getting into the midsole, they didn't use pure white. It's like an off-white, sailish looking midsole. I guess this will be the canvas color that's on the color label on the size tag. And then it has the Baroque brown going all the way across the outsole, man. This is a perfect fall shoe. It has your tans, your browns, some light sail looking colors, man. The dope off-white laces, the off-white looking midsole. This is a really good pair. One of my favorite dunks for sure. These kind of popped up on me. I didn't know that these were gonna re-release. I seen a couple of blog stars posting them, and then one day Nike posted that they were gonna drop them that week. Had to grab them last week, man. Got them on Friday. Nike with the quick ship and got in on Monday. Super happy to have these joints, man. But let's check out the right shoe of this joint, man, and see what it's looking like. Now getting into that right shoe, just the same as the left, it has the beach color leather going across the toe box. The toe cap is laced in like that long hair, nappy looking suede, man. You can get a good look right here. It has the long nappy hair suede. You can see the spots, which is supposed to represent like cheetah or giraffe print. It's like an animal pack inspired shoe. Same side panel with the beach color with the Baroque brown on the swoosh. Has that suede going across the back. The heel tab is in Baroque brown with the white Nike embroidered in. Inside of the shoe, just the same as well, man. Has those same colors going all the way throughout the shoe, man. Super neutral, super dope fall shoe, man. They released these joints just in time for Thanksgiving, just in time for like this fall, winter holidays. This is a good pair, man. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the sail midsole, Baroque brown going across the outsole, man. Brown on the interior, sail on the insole with the Baroque brown Nike pressed on, man. Nice sail laces, super dope shoe so far. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints for retail on the Nike app. I believe retail was 120 bucks or even 125 actually. And that was like 135 out the door here in Texas with taxes and things. And as far as resale, man, this shoe was going for like around 300 bucks, even 350 in some sizes before the restock. Now you can get pretty much any size for 150 and under, bro. This market right now is really crazy. Nike is trying to go back and release all of the good dunks that they had. They're releasing the ugly dunk impact, the plums, the dusty olives, like all of these good dunks that released a while back. They already did Kentucky, St. John's, Syracuse. All of those dunks were going for crazy high prices, and Nike is restocking everything, man. So everything is like really, really affordable right now. So this is definitely a buyer, a collector's, a wearer's market, man. It's perfect for you. You can get any shoe for just about retail or just over retail. When if this was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, there was no way you was getting these joints for $150 and less. This was easily a $250 dunk. Super nice colorway. They were super limited back then, but now Nike is mass producing everything, especially the dunks. And I'm honestly not mad at it, bro. I'm honestly not mad at it. As a collector, bro, as a self-proclaimed sneaker connoisseur, this is a good shoe, and this is a good market, man. Even like your collabs, your I'm Year 5s and things like that, they aren't going for crazy prices, man. So if you want these shoes, you're able to get them. I know a lot of resellers, it's like a slow time right now for us. Well, maybe not right now, just because it's the holiday season, it's a slow time for resellers. But I mean, if you're a buyer, if you're a collector, if you're aware, this is your time to shine, bro. I don't want to hear anyone complaining about there's too many things, too many pairs are sitting. This is what y'all asked for. This is what a lot of us wanted. You can get the shoe, you can wear the shoe, man. I'm loving it. Let's keep going. Let's see what Nike restocks next, man. Let's see. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this shoe, man, this is a good one. It did get the premium tag as far as 125 bucks. I don't see any flaws on this one. Some really good materials with this suede. The leather is still kind of plasticky, like your panda style-ish leather. Nothing too crazy on the leather parts, but the suede is really good. They got the good laces in these joints, man. Definitely a good shoe, man. Really good colorway. A great colorway, really, but a good shoe overall, man. This cheetah, giraffe print, whatever you want to call it, this dunk is one of my favorites to release this year, even though it's kind of a re-release from 2021. This one and that Code JP snakeskin are probably my two favorite dunks this year, and they both have those sail and brown hits to it. And those are just my favorite this year so far. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Were you waiting for these? Did you grab them back in 2021 and get a new pair now? What's your favorite dunk to release this year? Are you liking these and the Code JPs like myself? Or is there another dunk that really caught your eye and it's really sticking out to you, man? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this Nike Dunk Low in the cheetah or giraffe print colorway, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if this is a cop, a drop. Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know how you really feel about these joints. Now, these joints haven't gotten the official release from like any other retailers like your Shoe Palaces and Foot Lockers and things like that. But if you kind of follow the trend, man, with the restocks, Nike will drop something first, and these may end up as your local Foot Lockers and Shoe Palaces and things like that over the weekend and over the holidays, man. So definitely stay tuned to your malls if you missed out on Nike. These joints took a while to sell out, so if you really wanted them, you probably had a chance to grab them. But if not, man, be sure to check your local retailers. I'm not sure if they're gonna get them, but just following the trends, I'm pretty sure they're gonna hit malls and different stores sooner or later. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk Low and the cheetah or giraffe print colorway, man. Peace.